let's look at Article 14, Annex 3, which focuses on conformity assessment modules. The recast introduces 12 different modules, each identified with letters from the new legislative framework, or NLF. These modules can be applied either individually or in combination, and they're grouped by category. It's important to note that you can always choose a higher category route if that better suits your needs. Starting with Category I, we have Module A, which covers internal production control. This is the most basic level of assessment, where the manufacturer ensures their own production processes meet the required standards. Moving to Category 2, it becomes more involved. Module A2 adds supervised product checks on top of internal control. Then there's D1, focusing on production quality assurance, and E1, which is about product quality assurance. Category 3 brings in modules that combine type examination with quality assurance steps. For example, B+D combines EU type examination with production quality assurance, while B+F links type examination with product verification. Other combinations like B+E or B1+D include product or design quality assurance. Module G handles unit verification, which means each product is individually checked, and H covers full quality assurance, a comprehensive approach ensuring all aspects meet standards. Lastly, Category 4 includes some similar combinations, like B+D and B+F, with full quality assurance plus a design examination in Module H1. This category reflects even more stringent assessment procedures. Understanding these modules and their categories helps in selecting the right conformity assessment pathway depending on the product requirements and regulatory demands. Here we have an overview of the assessment modules, which define the role of the notified body in the conformity assessment process. Starting with Module A, this is unique as it's a pure self-declaration by the manufacturer and applies only to Category I products, meaning there is no involvement from a notified body. Modules A2 through H1 require a notified body's involvement. For example, Module A2 involves internal production control with supervised checks, where the notified body conducts random inspections of the finished product. Modules B and B1 are focused on the EU type examination. B involves examining a physical representative sample, while B1 relies on examining the technical documentation without a physical prototype. Modules D, E, and F cover quality assurance aspects during production and final product inspections, with the notified body supervising the manufacturer's quality systems or verifying each unit. Module G is for unit verification, often used for one-off equipment, where each item is individually assessed in design and production. Finally, Modules H and H1 represent full quality assurance programs. The notified body not only approves and supervises the complete quality system, but in H1, also adds design examination and ongoing surveillance. Here we explore how the different modules fit together within the system, focusing on design, production, and full system routes. Starting with Module A, this involves self-certification. Here, the manufacturer declares conformity without the involvement of a notified body, and this applies only to Category I products. Next, we have Modules B and B1, which deal with type and design examination. In these modules, the notified body either examines a specimen directly, as in Module B, or reviews the design documentation, as in Module B1. Moving on to Modules A2, D or D1, E or E1, and F, these focus on production and product assurance. In these cases, the notified body oversees the production quality system, or verifies individual units, and conducts testing to ensure consistency and compliance. Finally, Modules G and H, or H1 address the whole item and full system respectively. Module G involves the assessment of each individual item, while Modules H and H1 concern the approval of the complete quality system in place.